week in my life. PJs. I am at church. Christmas is coming. Salicylic acid cleanser. All of this organized. Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another week in my life. Let's just get started with the video. It is 6:30 right now, and so I'm getting ready for basketball team pictures. So once I finish eating, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm going to get just a little bit extra ready. For breakfast, I'm having tea ring. I'm really excited that it is tea ring season. Tea ring is something that my family makes every December for the holidays, and it is so good. It's like a cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting. It's made from scratch. This is what it looks like after I've heated it up. I know it looks kind of weird. These are 2 pieces. So good. So I'm going to eat that for breakfast, so then I'll see you guys while I'm getting ready for pictures. I'm upstairs in my room, and now I'm going to brush my teeth, straighten my hair, and maybe put on a little bit of mascara. I ended up deciding to just curl my eyelashes, not actually put any mascara on them. And then I straightened my hair, but I didn't have time to do a full out straighten just because I started straightening my hair at like 6:50 and I have to leave at 6:55. So I just kind of did like the parts that show and then the parts that are the waviest. So now I'm going downstairs to pack my bag and then I have to leave. After school today, I had academic team practice, which went really well. And then I came home and I had no activities after that, which was really nice. I was planning on doing some lifting, which I really need to do because I haven't in a while, but I ended up not doing it. But I really quickly want to show you guys my social studies notes for our Northern and Southern Europe test coming up. I'm so proud of them. And I also went ahead and highlighted everything that I need to study for the test, which is tomorrow. I think I'm going to do really well on the test. I'm so proud of my notes. Here's the physical geography section. Here's the history section. And here is the current life section. None of those notes that I did were actually required, but I always do them because 1, it helps me do really well on the tests, and 2, it makes my binder a lot more organized. And it bothers me when my binder isn't organized. I'm pretty sure I have a little bit of OCD. I know like organization and perfectionism doesn't mean OCD, but like I have other stuff too. I'm not going to get into all of that right now. Anyways, I'm going to do some more editing. I've been working on my Christmas playlist video, and it is actually going to be a collab with some people. I think it's coming out on Tuesday. I'm not sure. But if it's not out already, you should definitely be looking forward to when it does come out. And I will see you guys later. Right now, my mom, sister, and I are watching a movie on Disney Plus called Godmothered. And I'm also chopping up some carrots as a snack. Good morning, guys. I'm heading to school right now. Basketball practice is starting later because we don't have a game this week. So I got to sleep in some, which was really nice. I'm the actual worst. I didn't film at all yesterday, but basically after school, I had no homework yesterday, which never happens, but I was super excited about. I had an orthodontist appointment where I got new wires, so my mouth really hurts right now. After that, I came home and had dinner, and then I went to dance. Last night was ballet and jazz, and I came home and I went to bed. Today is Wednesday. I don't think I have any tests at school today. We're just preparing for finals, which is next week. I'm just eating breakfast right now, and I'll see you guys when I get home later. I just got home from school. Today was actually PJ day, so I'm just wearing like a normal athlete t-shirt, not really PJs, but then fuzzy PJ pants. Right now I'm just working on some homework, and then I'm going to go work out, and then I have church later tonight. I just changed into some leggings, and I'm going to go work out. I am at church right now with some of my friends. Here's Claire, Manique, Caroline. I got home from school a little bit ago. I haven't had very much homework these past couple days because in math, where I normally have homework every day, we have been doing reviews for finals. And then we are reading a book in English, but I've been reading ahead, so I never have any assigned reading because I've always already done it. And my Q&A with my sister has just gone up and it's doing really well. Y'all are really liking it. And I thought that was a really fun video to film. Anyways, I've just been kind of watching YouTube right now. I have dance later tonight, but right now I don't have really anything that I need to get done. I've just been kind of relaxing on the couch. It's really nice. I have dance in around 40 minutes, so I'm going downstairs right now to go eat. I'm heading to dance, which is lyrical and then company. What the heck? Christmas is coming so fast. There's only 16 days until Christmas. Normally, December feels like the longest month ever, but it has been flying by. It's crazy. I just got back from dance and I am about to get in the shower. I got this new cleanser from CeraVe. It has salicylic acid, so I'm going to be trying that out today, and I'll tell you what I think after. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like a full-out skincare and hair care routine. That video probably wouldn't come out until after New Year's because right now I'm trying to get out lots of Christmas content, and then I'll probably get some new skincare things for Christmas, so I will want to include those in the video. But let me know if that's a video you'd like to see, because I feel like that'd be a really fun video to do. I just got out of the shower, and I just want to tell you what I think of that salicylic acid cleanser. Obviously, I've only actually used it once, so I can't like tell you, okay, these are the results of me using it. But I can tell you like what I've heard about it and then what it felt like when I put it on. So it's very gel-like. It was a lot thicker than my normal cleanser. So I thought that was kind of cool. I've heard it's kind of as a deeper cleanser. So after you already cleanse your face, you're supposed to use that to get a deeper cleanse. And I've heard that salicylic acid is good for your skin. So don't take my word for it because I'm by no means a dermatologist. So do your own research before you like buy it. But I liked it, and I'm gonna have to use it more before I can actually determine, okay, this is a good product, this is helping my skin, or oh no, this is a bad product, it's making me break out. But I did like it, and I'm gonna be using it. Yeah. I have a mess going on my desk right now, and then there is my gym bag, so I'm just gonna try and get all of this organized. I'm going to do some reading right now. I'm reading the book The Hiding Place for School. It is about Corrie ten Boom during World War II, and it is so good. I highly recommend. It's really interesting. Kind of sad at some points, but it's still really good. And then once I finish reading, I'm gonna go to bed. Today's dress up day for school is Christmas attire. So I'm wearing this sparkly Santa hat along with these light up Christmas lights. I don't really have any actual Christmas clothes, so I'm just wearing a purple Athleta shirt with some leggings. After school today, I came home and I've really just been really lazy all day. I'm doing some editing right now. Normally on Friday nights, I really like to go spend the night with friends or go eat dinner with some friends. But recently, I've not been able to do any of that because of COVID, which is really disappointing because I'm very much a person that likes to hang out with people. And while I like having lazy nights, like right now, I don't like doing this every Friday night. But obviously, I don't want to catch COVID or spread it to someone, or just have to be quarantined in general, so there's really no way to win. I just got out of the shower and I've decided I'm going to go take a bath. I'm using this bath bomb I got a while ago. That is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said before, I love doing vlogs for you guys so much, so I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!